This project is basically examination management system. It is a Windows application developed in Visual Studio.NET, language is VB.NET, and database we are using MySQL 8.0. Okay. So once you order this project, you will get a MySQL DB script and source code folder which install all the files. Okay. So first we will configure the database. So once you need to have this installation in your system, okay, you require Visual Studio 2017 or higher, MySQL Server 8.0 Workbench and MySQL ODBC driver. So the link is given for download that system like MySQL Server, then Workbench and ODBC driver. So you can easily download from the net. So after download, you have to install all these three components: MySQL Server, Workbench, and ODBC driver. Once you installed Workbench, then you need to start the Workbench. So you have to go your MySQL shortcut, then Workbench. So then you have to connect your database. So the database script file, the SQL script file will be available. So by using this, you can create that database and sample data. So you have to go file, then Workbench, then there is an open SQL script. Select that file and open it. This will create the database and all the tables with insert statement also. Okay, so I'll execute this script. So once the script is completed, just refresh it. We'll get the new database with all the tables, and the tables contain the sample data also, like that examination, question bank. Okay, then users also there. So if you want to go to the question, select, open the table, you'll get all the records. So the MySQL configuration is complete. Now you have to open your project. So you have to select the source code folder, and you can double click this file also. Otherwise, you can start Visual Studio. So I'll start Visual Studio 2017. Then click on File, Open Project. And select that folder. You have to select that exam solution file or project file. So once you open this project, just check the Solution Explorer. You'll get all the files there. If it is not there, you can view and Solution Explorer. You'll get all the files there. So you have to just change that class file CLS main. Double click here. And these are your connection database connection string. The database name I give examdb. My system is the user ID is root and password is this one password. So maybe in your system it will be different. So you have to change this two parameter or database name. And if you want to change anything, like you have to change your name, just double click and it will open the project. Suppose you want to edit some text. Suppose you want to add your name. So you just go to my project, then assembly information. Say you want to add your name, developed by. So I'll put my name. So everything is be there, so there is no need of change anything. If you want to see the code, you can just double click. You get that You want to change any logo, color, you can do that. Or if you want to see the code, just double click, you get the code. Like this is the query execution, then this is the code, you can refer that code also. So when it is done, you have to just run the project. This project will start. There is a two set of users and teacher, or you can, there is admin also. So once you start the project, you have to just click on login. So there is a two type of user, teacher and student. Okay. So I will first log in as an admin. So admin is 1001 is that user ID and password is 123456. So admin can see all the student already registered in the system. So this is the student registered in the system. Admin user also create new user also, new student also. And this is the teacher, means that staff of the school. So if you want to add a new teacher, so you will get the name of the teacher. Password, login password, user, say admin, what is the date of birth, then department, say lab assistant, address, email, and then click save. So you want to edit this teacher, so just click here or whichever you want. Suppose mobile number you want to add, edit and save. Now this is the examination, type of examination. So two examination already added here. So I want to add another exam. So I will click on plus. So exam name, history is exam name. Number of question of exam, say I give 5 or 10 exam. Exam type in minute. Say it will be the 5 minutes. Total marks I will give 100. Passing percentage give 40. So this exam is active, or student can view the answer, means after completion of the exam student can view the correct and wrong and right answer also. And one time means each student can give this exam only once. Okay, then after click save, it will add it to the system. This is the already added exam. Now say I want to change this exam science and to give the time to edit, click on edit and give the 5 minutes. So if it is not checked one time, then means this exam can given by any time. And view answer, if it is not ticked, means after completion the exam student will not able to view the right or wrong answer. But for this exam it is on, means after completion the science exam student can check which is the given wrong and right answer. Now this is the master question and answer. So this is the GK. So load question, it has 17 question is already available. So this is the question and this is the option. Like this is multiple choice, means for this question, so you need to answer take two answer. This is the two answer is the right answer. This one is single selection. This is the right answer. So I want to edit this question. So click on edit, capital of beer, question mark, and suppose I want to change that option. Click on right or to blur and click on save. So they want to add a new question in GK section. So I'll click on the plus sign, new question. What is Maharashtra? So answer is November what is the right answer is Mumbai. Then so now this 18 question is added in the category of GK. The last question I have added. Same way, if I want to see that history there is no question is added. It is only first time I have added. Now science, there is a 21 question is there. So once student give the exam, so from these questions set randomly whatever question is examination or admin added like 10. So 10 will randomly selected from this question bank. This is the admin option. Now result is basically whatever student already give the result, particular subject, or he can view all the subject also like science, GK, whatever the student give the exam, he can view the result. This is the latest one. And what is the number of question 10, the right, wrong, and now what is the percent or the pass and fail. Now I will log in as a student. So I log out and click on login. Suppose student is first time came in the system, so he can register. So I will register first. So I will give the name. Say Raj Kumar. My name is Raj Kumar. Password I give 123. So whatever the date of birth, I will select. And school name. Class 10th, contact number, mobile number, the validation is there, so you have to write for mobile number. So what happens, this student will add it in the system, student ID will be auto increment, and password you have to remember the password you have kept. I will give 123. So and submit the session successful. Student ID is 5006. So I have to log in as 5006. Okay, so now I can log in. I have the ID 5006 and password I know. Click on login. Now student is logged. This is showing welcome Raj Kumar. This is the first time login, so it is not showing the login date and time. Now if I go the examination, 3 examination is coming. So I will select which one I want to give the science exam. So what is the 10 question will come, and I will have the 5-minute time. The GK is a 5 question, but 2 minutes is the time. So I will give the science student. Now here what happened? It will show 10 question randomly picked from the question bank. And this is the option. Option will be randomly also. Option will be randomly sorted. Like every time if you give the exam, same question, the option A, B, C, D will jumble. And this is the time. It will be after 5 minutes. It will exam will be over. Means it will automatically end the examination. Okay, so I have to select the right answer. So this is the question I will have to see that this is the multiple choice question. So I have to select all the available option. Driver, click on next. You have to answer, give the answer right. Suppose this is the right answer glass, but I will give that paper is the wrong answer, but I will select. This is the word which sting. That also digital is not right answer. So I have to select the correct answer. This is the last question. Click on next, it will show the last question. You can review also, you can go previous, or if you want to change anything. Suppose I want to change this to root, then click next. So once you review all the question, then you have already 3 minutes time you have. But if you want to end the exam, you can click on end exam. While examination you cannot toggle any screen because it is coming full screen. You cannot minimize or you cannot go any other window. You cannot browse anything. So you don't have any option. You have to end the examination only. Okay. So I'll click on end examination. If we take more time, like I have 2 minutes 50 seconds. So after that it will click on end examination automatically. Okay. So I have manually want to end the examination. Yes. It will show the answer. Like what is the examination name, what is the date of exam, how much time I have taken, 2 minutes 16 seconds, total question marks, how many attempt, not attempt, marks, passing marks. So there is an option called view answer because this admin is allowed to view the answer for this exam. If it is not, it is disabled. Now this is showing the right answer. Okay, so I give the proper answer. It will be also right. Now here I have given wrong answer, paper. Actual answer is glass is the right answer. This is wrong. Now this one also. This also right answer is leaf. I have given wrong route. So after you can verify and then close. Again close. Now whatever exam you have given, so it will show in show result bucket. You click on show result. So I have given only one examination right now. It will show all the marks and what are the right, wrong, everything. Now suppose I want to give another exam. So go start exam GK. 5 question is the 2 minute is the time. So this is the say this is the right answer maybe. Yeah. Now I want to show what will happen if I not able to complete my exam within 2 minutes. Okay, say click on rounds. I don't know this answer, so we skip this. What gas is full atmosphere? I think it is nitrogen. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1024 grams. Now I want to go previous and check whether I know. Try string password. Maybe I think it is. I have only 40 seconds left, so I have to wait for another 30 seconds to see what will happen if it is time is over. I give all the options. Only 10 seconds is left. Only 4 seconds is left. And now what will happen? Now this it will shows your time is completed. Click OK to end exam. There is no option you can go. You have only option you have to end the exam. Now that automatically examined. But this view answer is not applicable for GK because the admin is disable this option. So you don't have the option to view the right or wrong answer. Close. If you go result, it will show two. One is GK, which I given only one wrong answer. So this is the project. So once you buy it, you will get all these files, all the source code and all that project files, database file, everything. It's a database script file. And this is the project report installation guide you will get. It will have all that details like what are the required to configure and how to configure. The step is written there. How to create that is what I've shown in the demo, and how to open the project, how to change and what is the password, everything is there. And once you buy, you will get this project report also. These are the details will be available in the project report.